Did you know that the first part of your body to weaken as you age is your legs, not your heart, not your memory, not even your bones? It's your legs. And losing leg strength is the #1 reason seniors lose their independence. But there's good news. In this video, you'll discover 6 powerful foods that can naturally rebuild your legs, fight muscle loss, and keep you strong, mobile, and independent, no matter your age. Hi, I'm Sage from Nitro Wellness, where we bring you daily tips to live longer, feel younger, and stay strong as you age. If you're over 60 or care about someone who is, this might be the most important video you watch all week. Because when your legs go, everything else follows. So let's fix it, starting today. Why legs weaken first? Let me tell you a story. Meet Marie, 67 years old, a retired nurse active most of her life. But over the last couple of years, something changed. She noticed the stairs felt steeper. Getting out of a chair took longer. She avoided walks she once loved. It wasn't her heart, it wasn't her lungs. It was her legs. And Marie is not alone. According to researchers, after age 50, we lose 1 to 2% of muscle strength every year. And our legs are hit first. That's because the large muscles in our thighs and hips, like the quadriceps and glutes, require more energy and more blood flow. And with aging, both of those slow down. Here's why that's a problem. Weak legs don't just make walking harder, they're linked to higher fall risk, slower recovery after surgery, greater chance of needing a walker or cane, and even shorter life expectancy. But here's the part most people miss. You can fight back naturally. It doesn't require expensive equipment or hardcore workouts. The first line of defense? What you eat. Let's dive into the 6 foods that can rebuild your legs from the inside out. Food number 1, spinach first up. Spinach, the green that's truly gold for your legs. Spinach is rich in magnesium, potassium, iron, and vitamin K, all critical for muscle contractions, oxygen flow, and bone strength. One study showed that seniors who consumed leafy greens daily had significantly better leg strength and mobility than those who didn't. Add a handful to your omelet, blend it into a smoothie, or saute it with garlic. It's one of the easiest ways to boost your leg power. Food number 2, salmon next. Salmon, your anti-inflammatory ally. When muscles feel heavy or joints are stiff, inflammation is often to blame. Salmon is packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce muscle breakdown and increase blood flow to the legs. A meta-analysis of seniors found that those with high omega-3 intake had greater lower body strength and faster walking speeds. 2 servings per week can be enough. Grilled, baked, or canned, it's leg medicine in a meal. Food number 3, bananas. Number 3, bananas, nature's potassium bomb. Ever wake up with leg cramps at night or feel sudden fatigue during a walk? That could be a potassium imbalance. Potassium regulates muscle function, prevents spasms, and keeps your nerves firing properly. Plus, bananas give you quick, natural energy without the crash of sugary snacks. Food number 4, lentils fourth on the list. Lentils. These tiny legumes are powerhouses of plant protein, iron, and B vitamins. They help with muscle repair, oxygen circulation, and energy production. A study from Tufts University found that seniors who ate legumes regularly had 25% greater lower body strength over time. Best of all, they're cheap, easy to cook, and versatile. Soups, salads, stews. Lentils are your leg's best friend. Food number 5, coconut water. At number 5, coconut water. Hydration might sound simple, but it's often overlooked. When you're dehydrated, your muscles tighten up, coordination suffers, and your legs can cramp unexpectedly. Coconut water is packed with electrolytes like magnesium and potassium, but without the sugar of sports drinks. Sip a glass after a walk or with your lunch, and you'll feel the difference. Food number 6, eggs. Finally, eggs, the complete muscle fuel. Each egg contains all 9 essential amino acids your body needs to build and maintain muscle. They're also rich in vitamin D, which improves calcium absorption, key for keeping your legs and bones strong. Scrambled, boiled, poached, however you like them, eggs are an affordable, powerful way to protect your mobility. Let's recap. To keep your legs strong and mobile, start adding these to your weekly routine. Spinach, salmon, bananas, lentils, coconut water eggs. Remember Marie from earlier? She made just 3 changes. She added spinach to her breakfast, started eating lentils twice a week, and swapped soda for coconut water. Within 2 months, she noticed less stiffness, more energy, and longer walks without pain. You don't need perfection, just small, consistent changes. Your legs are your foundation. They carry you through life, and they deserve fuel that keeps them strong. If this video helped you or reminded you of someone you care about, hit the like button and share it with a friend. And most importantly, subscribe to Nitro Wellness for more health-saving tips just like this. Every video is designed to help you live longer, feel stronger, and stay independent well into your golden years. Click that red subscribe button. Your future self will thank you.